Hello. In this video, we will have a look at how to create tabs in your Lumira Designer dashboards. Now, this will be multiple videos covering the container components because these are quite complex and need almost each one of them requires a certain explanation and a separate video. So as you can see, you have quite a few. The most used ones are adaptive layout, grid layout. There's also quite a bit of pagebook, story, and tab strip. Now the other ones is more for pop-up dialogues and so on, which we will cover as well. So for our first video, we'll go ahead and talk about the tab strip. So how do we do this? As ever, we click on the component and drag and drop it. Or you can put it anywhere as usual and then modify, of course, the margins to fit it, for example, on the entire display. So by setting 0 and 0, auto. So by setting all the margins to 0, you make it fit on the entire screen. So as you can see, by default, it comes with two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2, which you can find as well here in the outline. So tab 1 and tab 2. And you can, of course, rename them and rename the content of the text as well. So let's say sales, for example, for tab 1 and HR for tab 2, for example. Now, the last thing to mention is when it comes to the structure of your application here, what you do now, so when you drag and drop components, you are dropping not within the entire tab strip component itself, but the individual tab subcomponents. So for example, here we have sales selected, and let's say we want a cross tab, we can drag and drop straight away here, and it will show up within tab 1. So now if you shift to tab 2, you don't see anything. Go back to tab 1, and as you can see, our cross table is here, and then we can do, like in the previously shown videos, setting a data source and so on. So this was just to show you how to work with the tab strip component. Thank you, and see you next time.